Renewed tensions in Manipur. Free highway movement sparks fresh clashes. After months of relative calm, the Union Home Minister announced the reopening of free movement along Manipur's national highways. This decision has triggered a renewed crisis as Meitei civil society organizations, CSOs, allegedly used the free passage to forcefully enter Kuki-dominated areas, further escalating tensions. The resumption of Manipur State Transport, MST, bus services along the highways has also exacerbated the situation, leading to dire consequences. Faced with this perceived threat, Kuki women of Kangpokpi district mobilized to block MST buses and convoys, resulting in violent confrontations. Many Kuki women sustained injuries as security forces employed tear gas, rubber bullets, and other crowd control measures to disperse them. Amid the chaos, a young Kuki man, Mr. Lalgauthang Singsit, tragically lost his life due to alleged security force brutality as he was fatally shot with live ammunition. The incident has heightened fears of further bloodshed. Since March 3, 2023, the Kuki people have endured widespread violence, including allegations of genocide, the burning of homes, villages, churches, and synagogues, forcing tens of thousands into displacement. Despite these grave realities, the central government has prioritized highway access over addressing the deep-rooted conflict and the demand for a separate union territory for the Kuki community. The recent announcement by Meitei CSOs, under the Federation of Civil Societies, FOCS, advocating for a mass rally into Kuki-inhabited areas under the guise of a peace rally, despite the fact that not a single Kuki individual is allowed to venture or reside in the Meitei-dominated valley, has been seen as a provocation, further inflaming tensions. This move is feared to invite more confrontations rather than fostering peace. Additionally, chants openly calling for the annihilation of the Kuki people at Meitei rallies, along with continued rhetoric labeling Kukis as refugees, illegal immigrants, and narco-terrorists, despite their recorded history and contributions to India's independence, have only deepened the mistrust between the communities. Although peaceful coexistence as neighbors may be possible in the future, restoring the previous harmony appears unattainable, say the Kukis. The wounds inflicted by violence, hatred, and atrocities against the Kuki people remain fresh, and reconciliation efforts are unlikely to succeed without concrete measures for justice and lasting peace, including the granting of separate administration for the Kukis. Vehemently condemning the incidents, the Kukizo Council, KZC, Committee on Tribal Unity, KOTU, KSO General Headquarters, and other Kuki civil society organizations have called for a total shutdown in all Kuki-inhabited areas in protest against the unjust treatment by the central government.